RealAgriculture.com's coverage of Agritechnica 2023 in Hanover, Germany is brought to you by Optimum Glide, a new canola trait technology from Corteva Agriscience. Shaun Haney here with Real Agriculture. We're at Agritechnica 2023 in Hanover, Germany. And our coverage is brought to you by Optimum Glide and Corteva Agriscience. And we're in the CLAAS booth in front of a massive forage harvester. This is the Jaguar 990, and we're going to learn all about it here with my friend Joerg. Joerg, how's it going?
Hey, good. Not too bad here. Thank you for coming.
Yeah, you're having a good Agritechnica?
Yeah, so far very good here. So it's the first day, so we are all happy and here to welcome all the customers here today, and even for the whole week for sure.
Yeah, we're full of energy on day one. Okay, so tell us about this special 50-year anniversary edition of the Jaguar 990.
So the special 50 years anniversary edition, what we can see behind us, is where we have now the special colored ones. So there's a very limited numbers of machines available, what we spread out to the markets here to get a little bit an eye catcher. But in general, from the feature point of view, it's all in here what you have, of course, can also get for a new machine. So we have a little bit to focus this here, operator comfort and also reliability, where we give some extras in our 50th year, some extra things to the customer here with our machines here.
Well, my understanding is that this is engineered from the track out, that this machine is not just a wheeled machine where we put some tracks on it. This is a machine where it's built for tracks. Talk about that.
Yeah, correct. So compared to the normal machines here, so it's not like some others doing it, just putting a track on the point where the tire is normally. We make this machine really special for it. So we make it longer. So especially for the good traction, that we have the perfect traction. If you have muddy conditions, what we can see now this year in Germany, especially in the north of Germany, it's a very big topic at the moment. Customers are still harvesting, but also you can use this here for application like in grass as well. It's also usable because some extra features that we can lift up even the front roller while driving in a curve, that we reduce the surface of contact area of the tracks.
Yeah, so at the headlands, the track tilts up to help with the turn.
Yeah, to help it with the turn, to reduce the length of the tracks, that you do not have so much, or so much destroying the area.
Sort of the tracks spin out.
Yeah.
And the back tires, they also have tire inflation system, is that correct?
Yeah, as well, of course. Then we need to store it for sure, because we have it on the normal models as well. Tire inflation system on all machines are available. And even then, of course, we needed to put it on the track machine as well, for the lowest ground pressure what you can get in the market here on such a big machine with this big front attachment, so we have heavy weights.
So we're pushing upwards close to 1,000 horsepower here. How much bigger can forage harvesters get?
Yeah, at the end, the limit is always the compaction in the silage pit. So here, even if we talk about here, there are some calculations when you have really up to 400 tons per hour, and you, depending on where you are, the calculation is sometimes up to 100. You need, there's a special calculation, how much weight you need for compacting the silage. And what are the things around? Of course, we have some areas, some customers, which there's no problem to do it. But I think always you need the transportation, keep it, watch it, and even keep it, watch it, that we have a good silage compaction finally. And this is also, if you get more and more throughput done, you need also more and more capacity backhand on the farm to handle everything.
You mentioned the cab and the comforts. What are some of the features of the cab that, the operator, they're in there for a long time, they're moving their neck all over the place. It can be a little bit hard on some of the back and things like that. So what are some of the features of the cab to provide comfort to the operator?
Yeah. So what we put extra here is, of course, here the seat. It's like what you said here. We have the different options: the seat, a premium seat, a leather seat available, turnable one. Also the operator automatic systems like autofill, Cam Pilot, Autopilot here. There's a bunch of things just to make it much more and more comfortable. Exactly like what you said. We have some operators operating every day 18 hours a day, so a long period, and even they need to be fit in the morning, and even if it's dark in the night, that they can concentrate if there's something foreign coming in the front or whatever, just to concentrate it. And even compared to a combine harvester, the Jaguar is also a little bit different at work, because there's all time someone behind you where you have to watch and to work together as a team. And so just to keep the comfort high, we put a lot of things in here. Air condition for sure, standard, good seat here, better communication systems here, like a gooseneck microphone and these things, just to make it much more handy for the operator.
Are there any sensors loaded on it from the spout management to load the truck properly and as efficiently as possible?
Yeah, correct, 100%. Our autofill, that's the camera up on the spout as example. So that's a good feature, especially if you open up a field as example. So the tractor is behind you with the trailer, and when you're watching to the rear and checking here if it's filling proper, and how much seconds you're looking to the rear, and you are not looking in the front. If there is something lying in the field, a pile or whatever, you know what could happen, a concrete piece or someone forget. Yeah. Just to avoid it, this is the reason for the automatic system to help to improve the operation quite much. So there's an automatic steering that's of the spout, a very important part.
Okay, so the 990, this special color scheme, limited edition, correct?
Limited edition. Yeah, unfortunately, it's an eye catcher. Here we want to celebrate it, bring it to our customers. So that's basically behind here. But from the technology point of view, a normal color is good as well, so no worries.
Great stuff. Joerg, thanks so much for joining us, and good luck with the show.
Yeah, thank you very much for being here. So have also good success, and looking forward to catch up again.